on, come on. And then he just flew out and broke her hand. And that nurse said, you ain't never coming. I worked that floor for 3 years. Never, because it's not their they didn't have a mind, okay? But you can't talk to people like that. And I was going to try to call them back.
There's too many people here that wouldn't even let you follow it.
Oh, they protect me, but I don't think.
Well, no, what I mean is they would have been so, they would have interfered with you correctly.
How you doing today?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Oh, pretty good. Mental health evaluation?
Yes, sir.
Good. How you doing today?
Doing good, how are you?
All right.
Oh, yeah. This guy. With my wife.
We just got started. I was buying the energy drinks, and I was like, hey, Mark code 1. I was like, yeah.
You're,
Yeah, before we get here, see if I can calm them down and see what's going on. But yeah, like the lady was saying, I think once they started screaming out here, we really know getting to him about this.
It's called de-escalation.
Well, the thing is when you're escalated, there is no de-escalation because his mind was in other places.
Yeah, well, you can if you pull him away from the group, you can de-escalate
That's
him.
very true, but I think this scenario, unfortunately, they were all standing behind him. Even if he would have been able to de-escalate him, I don't think he would have, like being right here, I don't think he would have been like, yeah, I'm okay to just go with you on the ground because watching that video,
it's like,
they worked him up really good.
Yeah, I'm a cop watcher. You probably know that by now.
Put two and two together, yeah.
So.
Yeah, I'm about to say, get him on the gurney, get him loaded up, so he's off safely. We'll get back to communication with all of
Why'd you beat me up? Take me down? Fuck my arm up? It's all on video and audio, fat boy. Same as C-Tran, bitch. We're gonna ask you to please voluntarily walk over. Where, bitch?
Get the next view up.
What for? I would like you to voluntarily sit down. Fuck you, you can't tell me to do that. That's violating my rights. You can't tell me to do that.
You're now on a
That's breaking
mental
the law.
roll for your mental health, because you are a danger to everybody else, holding the knives. So we have the legal authority and
Why? You're not half
and so
authority
I'm
to
going to
break
ask you
laws.
voluntarily to do it. And if you don't do it, we're going to have to force you to do it. Do you understand?
What am I gonna do with the ambulance, bitch?
So he gave him a warning, said that they have to put him on the gurney and take him in. It's a danger to himself and others. I'm going to step over here.
You're off the street, but if other people need real help, I'm not getting it. Fuck you. I will not. Don't touch me. Get back up. What are you doing? I don't want you putting your hands on me, bitch. There you did. Also, right here. Look at this. Look at this doing to me. See? This is all on video now. For what? Ow. Motherfuckers. Piece of shit. Throw your feet up. I don't need to go.